guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing my family's nighttime routine, and today is very special because I am collabing with the YouTuber Amy Fritz, and she's doing her family's morning routine. If you guys have not seen her channel yet, you guys have to. The moment that I saw it, I started binge watching so many of her videos. I'm not even kidding. She has really great content and a really pretty house. But anyway, I'm going to be leaving the link for her channel down below and her video down below, so do not forget to give me a shout out if you guys head on over there to let her know that you're here from my channel. If you guys are coming from Amy's channel, hi, welcome. Again, my name is Sandy, and I would love to have you guys stay here. I really hope that you enjoy my video. So breaking it down for you, I'm a lifestyle channel, so I do vlogs, I do cleaning videos, I do mommy videos, and I think anything that I think will help motivate or empower women. So I hope you guys stick around and hit that subscribe button, and let's get into the video. Since the kids and I were out all day at Sweet Corn Fest at the pumpkin farm, the first thing on our list to do for bedtime is get them into the bathtub.
Oh my child, I know.
After washing the kids off, I let them play for a little longer while I get dinner started.
I know you tried so hard.
So first I'm going to clear the area and wipe everything down so I have a clean space to work with, and then I'm going to get all of my ingredients out so that I can get started with making my meal.
Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane, and as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now there's something in the air and a sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within.
Tonight I am making a really quick and easy no-cook meal. It's a Mediterranean zucchini noodle salad, and it only requires a few ingredients. I found this on Pinterest and it turned out really good, so if you guys are interested in the recipe, I'll either leave that down below or the link to the recipe down below.
Agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond all. Hand in hand, building castles out of sand, reaching for the grand. As willows align, we lose track of time. Head up high, now we climb.
Here's what some of the zoodles look like, but since what my children will eat vary from day to day, I'm also going to make some regular noodles just in case.
Easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover, agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond all. A bigger scale, the world inhales as we go. I wouldn't want it any.
So some of the main ingredients in this recipe, like many other Mediterranean meals, are going to be concentrating on olives, artichoke hearts, lots and lots of tomatoes, and feta cheese, and probably some extra feta cheese because my family really loves cheese.
Undercover, agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond all. Dreamy, breezy, we go.
Next, I'm getting ready to make an oil-based sun-dried tomato dressing for me and Ben.
Undercover, agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond all.
All this really requires is some sun-dried tomatoes that have been soaked in oil, and then some olive oil, some garlic, and a little bit of water, and that's pretty much it. Then you'll want to mix this all together in a food processor. I'm using this new portable blender that I got from Amazon. This is one of those nights me and my husband are going to eat after the kids are in bed, so while they eat, I'll wash some of the dishes and clear away some of the mess. Cheers! After the kids are done eating, they wash their hands and brush their teeth, then come help clean up the living room mess, depending on how much of it is theirs. Before bed, I like letting them choose a story for me or my husband to read, then choose a place to cuddle up.
I've been wondering about you. They said that just one look and I'd There's something about you, and you know it too. All I do is think about you. Your eyes, your scent, your touch is all I dream of. Now I can't live without you. Close your eyes, get some rest. I'm by your side. Lay your head on my chest.
Last, it's time for tuck-ins and bedtime kisses. Then Yuri likes to read for a bit to Gideon, which I think is extremely sweet.
A really bad day.
The band Steambears, Old-Fashioned Christmas. Jan and Mike Barnston in the Bear Country Mule. Fallen snow covered the ground as Bear Country rolled up to Grizzly Grand and Graham's house. Their car was piled high with boxes of food, boxes, bags, and packages.
We're gonna be okay.
While they're doing that, I'm going to put all the leftovers away and wipe everything down so it's clean for the morning.
Hold my hand. Don't let go. I understand. I know it hurts. It wasn't fair. It's over now, so don't despair. Full stop. Can't believe I live in your
At the end of our night, me and Ben really just like to get comfy and put on a good show. That's it for my night routine. We like to keep it simple. If you guys like this, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to check out Amy's channel, which is going to be linked down below along with her morning routine. I love you guys. I appreciate you, and I will catch you guys on the next video. Bye!
Yeah, I'd give it all up now just to be with you somehow.